go stand. You sef go laugh out loud. Because why? Nothing better pass na your health.
Then talk say cow will rush say won't enter America. It go come back as come beef. Yes, welcome to Na Your Health, the #1 show where we dey bring come your domot to make sure say you, your body, your soul, everything will concern you. They very, very casual and simpelicious. And you know as we dey do am now. My name na Dr. Adaora, but I know they everly waka alone. I carry plenty things come meet you today, but my handbag dey my side.
Right, yes, so your one and only Ninja half-caste, Luchi Enobong. On top today's show today, we go to yarn how the different body positioning, whether na stand or you stand positioning or sitting positioning, the begin way they cost for your body, I beg no go anywhere. Because we even get one kajad confirmed sabi specialist. We go chook mouth for inside this matter. Our two shows so I gonna call that one ready now. Make yourself for no carry last for this matter. But as always, we dey splash you with the one we dey call your ear go stand. No go anywhere.
No go anywhere. Na Your Health will soon return.
Weird things we don't enter belly. Drugs. In short, plenty drugs. Them catch traveler for Kuala Lumpur International Airport in Malaysia. Then come carry am go hospital for x-ray. The things where doctors find make their mouth open wide. Then see lump inside him belly we carry 54 capsules of drugs. Live ill. One man from China admit himself for hospital sake of say live eel dey inside him body. The man put the 20-inch long eel inside him anus because he see them do am for inside porn film. Doctors con need to do all-night operation to comot am. Doctors talk say the eel just dey fine as im go comot from the anus. But the eel con die immediately dem bring am out. Engagement ring. Caitlin Whipples swallow the engagement ring wey her bobo Reed Harry put inside her frosty drink. After she swallow am, her boyfriend con tell her say engagement ring dey there. She no believe until him carry her go hospital go do x-ray. Sorry Caitlin, no engagement ring for you. Scissors. 27-year-old Kong Lin borrow 4-inch nail scissors con take and do toothpick after him chopulate. But as one of him friends dey crack joke, he laugh and mistakenly swallow the scissors. Eggplant. Mikel Lotito na French entertainer wey people know to dey chop things wey no fit digest. For performance, he dey chopulate metal, glass, rubber and other things like bicycle, television and even plane. The plane when in chop take am about 2 years to chopulate finish. Cell phone. This one happen for inside prison for San Salvador, where dem catch prisoner, do x-ray for am and find phone inside him belle. The kind things where people they do just to communicate. Coins. One 62-year-old man wey get history of colomental palava go emergency room in 2002. Say him they suffer from stomach pain. Doctors open mouth when they find out wetin dey cause am. Him belle full with about 350 coins, including necklace and needle. Pen. 76-year-old woman go see stomach doctor because of stomach wahala and losing weight. The x-ray wey dem do show pen wey tanda for her belle. When dem comot am, the pen wey dey the belle for 25 years still dey write well.
Na Your Health will return.
Welcome back. As I said, the talker, you know now. Hope say no be only you waka come, because today we carry better informate come for your domot. Yes, so it consign the gbege we sitting down for long. I just say plenty people don't take this thing for granted. Say, waiting and my work, I go to sit down, I go to do it and they do. But this sitting down for very long time, it get plenty gbege way they cost. If you want chook mouth on top the matter, I beg. Make you not for carry last. You know now, we dey Facebook, we dey Instagram, we dey even on the Twitter, according to my sister. Twitter, on I be the correct thing. But any which way, make sure say you put your own own contribution for inside. Yes, so the matter where they ground now still sitting position and how the thing they cause gbege for our hearts. We go send you the number one now.
But before we send you, we still get our email. Our email where you fit to send us any of your question. If you want comment, if you want talk anything, our email follow for the social media where you fit to join out on top. All right, the very first one we want to talk about, so now the heart disease, one of the gbege where this sitting position fit cause. You know, say this our body, the fat is supposed burn. We supposed burn fat when your body just dey on its own. But if you sit down for one place for too long, this fat it no go quick burn. Oh, it no go quick burn at all. And the blood wey suppose dey flow for your body, na say go just dey do swegbe, go just dey do gbege. It no go dey flow well. It go dey sluggish. And these are the opportunities where fatty acid they get. You go just see and say, blood in the flow where pam, you go colobi your heart. When this fatty acid colobi your heart, you go do what they call clogging. As they clog your heart like that, first thing where they happen, say your blood pressure they go up. If they go wia. As blood pressure they go up, not be any blood pressure. Your cholesterol level. Yes, as blood pressure they go up, cholesterol they go up, all this one they go up, and if it to lead to a situation where your heart self go just shut down, that kind of thing if it lead to heart attack. So you see, say heart self, it get important part for inside this one.
From the heart and the important part where you get, according to my sister, we go enter the next organ where they affected when you sit down for too long. That organ, that they call them pancreas. The work of this pancreas normally to they release insulin. They produce them, in fact, to make sure say when you they chop all the glucose, all the sugar thing where they come out, go carry the one where the cell need to produce plenty power and plenty energy. Keep them there. Then the remaining one, it go break them down, send them into the bloodstream, made for doing other things. But if you they sit down for too long, what did they happen? They say because your muscles, you know, they're not they active again. They're not they do the work where they supposed to do. This insulin, the pancreas go just they release insulin, and because the muscle not they come out the glucose where it's supposed to come out. Now so the insulin go contain plenty for inside your body, and when it dey plenty like that, the gbege way they cause be say if it go cause diabetes type 2, yes, that one where they associated with insulin, it will cause them. Plus some other gbege where insulin they cause for body. So therefore your pancreas go they hyperactive. Now waiting this one go cause on top that long sit down where you they sit down. So shine your eye well. This is some of the organ damage where they happen on top sitting down for too long.
Another one is like the muscle. Yes, muscle. In fact, this particular one they call them mushy ab. That's an ab where they do flare. You know, say when you sit down or you move or you turn that gidigba upright like this, it get nothing like your belly muscle. Your belly muscle now they do work as you just sit down like that. But when you can't sit down, felele, you just do like that for. Your muscle, your belly muscle no go do the work where in supposed to. And when belly muscle no they do the work where in supposed to, you go just sit down for there. You go just they slack. If you even lead to something that they call hyperlordosis. Hyperlordosis. And that kind of condition, now heavy gbege on top of your body. You don't need that more.
My sister, not be small heavy gbege. The gbege not be here. Anyway, from there we go waka enter the leg. The kind gbege way sitting down for too long they cause for inside leg. You know now, this thing where they call gravity. It gets as you go just stand up for one place. All the things, all the water, you know, so our body they composed of water like 80%. So all of them go just flow down, plus the blood, all of them go flow down to your leg. So you go notice say when you don't sit down for too long, your leg go they swell. The ankle self, they go they swell, they big anyhow. All these things they lead to things like varicose veins. That's it where you go just they see some kind veins where go just they show for your body. Now so this thing now waiting all these things they cause. So this sitting down for too long, now culprits. Make you they shine your eye on top the matter. If you got to stand up and take a walk sometimes, don't just sit down there all the time, because these are the things will go happen to even yourself. You go notice say if you compress your legs sometimes, it will be like say the thing go inside because water and blood don't accumulate for there as you they sit down for too long.
From that one, we they enter what they call leg gbege, aka leg disorder. One of the very first leg disorder we want to talk about, so now say blood no go dey flow, fluid no go dey flow well for your leg. It gets sometimes, even me, they happen to me, when you go sit down for long, you don't stay on top of the chair. By the time you want stand, it go be like say 1,000 pin. They took it from under your leg. You can't look your leg, it don't swell. e don swell. Na because say you don tanda for one place for long. And if you say be woman wey get belle, I know say you go know this kind of thing, because e dey happen to woman wey dey get belle, their leg dey always swell if they sit down for one place. Na make dey tell them say make you dey waka, stand up sometimes, waka even if na 2 minutes, 5 minutes waka, do the waka, because to sit down for one place for long, e get your own bad thing for body.
From there, we go see waka enter another gbege wey this sitting down for long dey cause. You know, say when person dey sit down for too long, e go dey try dey, you know, maybe go dey strain in back, go dey lean forward, all these things, and all these different positions, they cause their own gbege. That's why you go notice after some time, be like say your neck go dey pain you, or one side of your body, because you don't dey, you go one, as in your waist, everywhere, as in even your shoulder, them, all these ones too, they affect because of the way you dey sit down for too long. Because of that position, God not create us to make me sit down for one place like that. So therefore your body go dey revolt on top the matter. That's why you go dey feel pain for different places like your neck, your back, your shoulder. All these ones now some of the gbege where they follow on top this sitting down for too long. Ha, not be small thing, my sister.
My dear, from that one, would they enter your spine? That now back pain. Sometimes you go notice you go they get back pain. And this back, you know, say that spine and for then a bone. Now sometimes when you dey waka, if you dey waka, they sit down, they waka. If you dey mix them together, your bone, you go they contracts, you go they expand. That means say you go they big, you go they come down. You go they big, you go be like sponge where they absorb water, you remove water. But imagine say you know you just sit down like that. Just sit down, non-stop, from morning till night. The bone no go get time to do your own exercise now. You go just stiff. You go stiff, you go strong, kakaraka like iron. And that's not good for your body, because even the discs will be part of the bone waiting for your back. They do badness for them. Not be better thing way they do for them at all.
At all. Anyway, if you want to hear more on top this matter, we don't already send you some of the social media sites where you go waka go if you want to get more of this information. Because the time don't reach where you go back break on top this matter. It still gets more, but we go stop on for here. But make you not go anywhere, because after this time, that ogbonge kajat specialist where my sister been talk about before, now that one go send you some of the things where you supposed to do to make sure say you know they sit down for too long, and some of the right positions to both sit down and to stand up. Anything way sharp good for your body, in go send you all these things. So make you not go anywhere when they come back.
No go anywhere. Now your health will soon return. Now your health will return.
Welcome back. Hope say not be only you waka come. This na still na your health on top Wazobia TV, where we dey give you all the better informate where you need to take make your body dey kajal. The matter where they ground today still concern how you dey tanda and how the thing they affect your body. So like we talked before, we get one ogbonge guest where they call physiotherapist for Obodo Yibo, and this physiotherapist, she go tell us the correct way we we supposed to stand to make sure say our body dey gidigba for ground. Her name na Adaora, and she dey come, so make you not just go anywhere.
Well done, everybody. My name na Adaora, and I be physiotherapist. I want to teach you how we go sit down the correct way, so that we're not going to get all those back pain or shoulder or neck pain when they disturb us from time to time. This brother don't sit down, and the thing we say 9 out of 10 people they sit down like this. You see how you sit down in bum now from the middle of the chair. All this place just they there, they waste, they do nothing. Then see all this space when they between the chair and the back. The back no they rest for anything at all, nothing they support them. That's why after some time the back go down tire because they cause back pain. Now the thing we say, if you want to sit down, you go sit down, move your bum come the back of the chair, relax your back, keep your shoulder straight. When you sit down like this, not be say you go come bend here like this, so like say you get hunchback, because even though your back they support and nothing if you do your back, this place will come dey tired after some time. Your neck too will come dey tired after some time, and you feel come dey get all those small shingling pain. So you go straight your back, relax well, relax, keep your head straight if you want to sit down. If after some time you even want relax more for your chair, you go put this kind pillow for there, or roll up something. Say if you get small cloth or small even magazine safe, if you roll am, put there to support am, make your back get support. The thing now say make your back get support for there. Oh yeah, shift small. Shift small. Then we go put this one there. You see, as this thing done there, even if you relax like this, in back gets support for there. So the back no go just dey hang. They do work over time. Can they get pain after some time? If you get those chairs for your office, when they fit adjust something, relax, go back. You fit adjust that one, then we'll sit inside. Then the thing will come go back from that place where they adjust. That one day okay. So if you sit down like this, if you want relax, put this one for there. If you know be say you dey ready to relax, you sit down, reach the back, you sit up like this. With that one, you no go get any problem, you no go get any pain. Chic now.
So thank you, Sisi Physiotherapist. We don't learn plenty things on top this matter today. So I saw say you where they watch, so you said don't they arrange yourself to make sure say you they tanda well. But we never finish, so we still get our get 5. We still they come for front. So make you know just what can go anywhere because we they come back. This na still na your health.
No go anywhere. Now your health will soon return.
This na for people wey don decide say na standing desk dem go use to help their posture. To dey get only standing desk. To get standing desk na good thing, but to stand every time bin dey cause problem for body. For the whole excitement and jolly wey people dey feel when dem dey stand to do their work, e fit dey easy to wan sharparly just dey use standing desk. But e good to enter small than make person just jump to dey use standing desk. Make person no get desk wey dey correct standing posture. Just to dey stand no dey enough to get good health o. If your desk no dey help to correct your posture as you dey stand or even sit, or if you no use am correctly, your body go begin pain you if pressure dey the wrong place. The posture for this picture dey if you place your laptop or monitor at the same level as you put keyboard and mouse. Your head go dey look down. To dey use only laptop by itself no too good and fit cause pain if you use am for too long, even when you dey stand. To solve this kwanta, raise the screen to eye level. You fit do this one with box or stand wey you buy. If you no too get money, abeg think something creative. If you dey use laptop, e good to get separate keyboard and set your laptop screen for eye level. Laptop keyboard no suppose dey work for long time. To dey stand too long or forget as time dey pass. This one dey happen to all of us o, because we dey too get lost inside our work or on top internet, whether by sitting down or standing up, sotey we dey forget say we dey that position for long. This one na koko sign to change from one position to another, like from sitting position to standing position. To dey think say na only desk dey needed. Abeg no be only desk you need o. Here na 3 things you need for standing desk: standing mat, footstool and supportive shoes. You dey wonder where you go start, abi? If you still dey stage to dey decide the kind standing desk, just go lifehacker.com for different kind design with different kind spaces. My name na Ibukun Bankole.
Now your health will return.
Welcome back. Now your health, now you see there on top your domot, we see there on top your nyanchan. Although we don't unleash plenty things, and our sitting position, now we'll talk about today. But this will not be the only episode we'll get about sitting position, because another episode they come, and that one, the things where you go hear on top that one, you say you don't hear plenty today, you go see hear plenty more for the next episode. We hear about the different mege where sitting position they do, how will they affect your heart, how will they affect different parts of your body. Plus even our bonga guests, our catered and confirmed guests, we can chook mouth, chook eye, chook nose, chook everything for inside. Make yourself understand how this badness they on top sitting position. Touch your swag, now be that segment. And I know say yourself be like I'm well.
Me self, I like that touch your swag well because my swag don't touch. Yeah, so you know what we do for the show now. Time don't reach where we go pack all our kaya, come out. But before we go, we like to pledge in the peace. Pledge peace. We pledge peace, man. We pledge peace, man. But we shall always, we got your back now.
Oh, every
time. Every time. We'll see you next time.
All right, Achero. Bye.